I'm London, back again, and today we're making some butterflies out of the Flutter Flutter pack of yarn. Here's what you'll need. The butterfly I'm going to be making for you, I'm choosing to use the baby blue and the alien color, but have so much fun mixing and matching these colors because you can't go wrong with any combination that you want to use. We're going to start out using alien green, and I'm going to make a slip knot and chain 8. I'm using the smiley face 11.5 millimeter crochet hook to do this. You can use any size hook you'd like though with the same pattern to create a different size butterfly. When I get to the end, I'm just going to single crochet back 7. And that's that. Go ahead and cut your yarn there and keep your yarn handy because the next part you're going to need 2 colors. I'm going to use baby blue to start the next piece. You're going to be making 4 of these. So put your hook in your slip knot, and I'm going to start out by chaining 5. Work back 4 single crochet. Next, you're going to turn your work to the other side and just go ahead and do 4 single crochet until you hit the end, but then keep on going. You're not going to stop, and you're going to go all the way around the other side. You're going to be making a big U shape around the piece of crochet that you've already made. So now that I'm at the end, I'm not stopping. I'm going to keep going, just single crocheting into each of the stitches that I've already made. When you get to the end, sometimes you may want to increase. You don't have to though. You can just keep working around. You want to keep it nice and flat. That's the key. So if you find that your work is bunching up, increase a stitch. Once you get to the end, go ahead and trim your yarn and switch on over to your other color. And as I said before, pick any color you want. I just happen to be going with alien. I change my color now, turn my work, and I'm going to do the same thing again, working around the edge of my crochet, making a U. Single crochet all the way around. When you get to the end, don't stop, keep on going. If you find that you want to increase, you can. I'm not going to. I'm just going to keep on going. If your work gets a little pulled though, definitely increase. We have a video actually showing you how to increase a stitch if you need to see it broken down a little slower. Now that I'm at the end here, I'm still not going to stop. I'm going to single crochet all the way around, connecting this second color together. We'll take care of the ends at the end. Keep on going around until you connect your final row. Go ahead and trim the strings, pull it through, and you're going to do this 3 more times. But you can already tell your butterfly is coming together pretty nicely. Now that I'm done with all 5 pieces of this butterfly, I'm going to glue the ends because as you can see, it's like a mess and we have to fix that. So make sure you pick a front and a back. You don't want to be gluing on both sides. Also, feel free to sew them in if you'd like. Trim all your ends. And you can kind of get it so they all touch together. And see, I think it's kind of cool and like cute how these are a little different than those. So it just gives the butterfly a little more character. And we are going to put a little bit of glue down the middle And what's fun is the body is actually gonna hold together all of the wings. And you're just gonna press it together, just like so. So cute. I made a few more butterflies out of the same Flutter Flutter pack of yarn. And this one I decided to make a little bigger. These are a little smaller, so same size hook, just a few more stitches. Feel free to, fly with your imagination on this one. These are super, super cute to hang on a bookshelf or hang them up outside. Thanks so much for making these butterflies and crocheting outside the lines with me.